Hold on, y'all. Give us 3 seconds. I don't know. They trying to stop the motion. They can't stop nothing. Hold on. Give us 3 seconds, man. Oh, guys. I hope you all ready for this class, man. We're about to be dropping down some insane game today. Let's go get into it. Y'all ready? Let's go. Drop my name. Just 3 seconds. Oh, the mic was muted, guys. Can y'all hear me now, guys? Everyone can hear smooth? Let's go. Let's go, guys. Listen, guys, in today's class, guys, we're dropping a bunch of freaking game today. I know, listen, y'all have probably been waiting for a little bit of time to get this game now. Yeah, you gotta wait for this type of game. You know why, guys? Because grandmama's cooking. You know, she put it in the oven because it has an extra seasoning. You see? All right, let's go. Guys, today we have a lot to speak and a lot to talk about today, guys. The Hantivirus is brewing everywhere all over the world right now, guys. And I know y'all are probably thinking like, oh my gosh, what is the Hantivirus? Are we gonna have a pandemic? Are jobs gonna get shut down? Businesses, gyms, and everything again? We have a lot to speak about today, guys. So listen, before we get into today's class and the breakdown, if you are completely new here, guys, put a me in the chat. If today is your first time in today's classroom session, put a me in the chat. If you're not new here, put a 1. I want to see who we're talking to. And I also include, guys, where is each and every single one of you guys talking today from? And where does your city and state? I want to see where everybody is tuned in today from. Let me see where everyone's at. Let me see where everybody's at today. Let's go. Let me see where y'all are from today. Don't worry, we got the audio and everything figured out by God's grace. How we doing? Let's go. Okay. First timers here. Okay. First timers here. People who have been there before. Okay. Let's go. All right. We see, okay, San Antonio, Tennessee, Virginia, India. Where else? Where we from today, guys? Proud bands member. Listen. Today, guys, ooh, y'all gonna be in for a run today. We're dropping so much gems today. Y'all better be ready to get to this information because I know I'm ready today. Let's go, all right? Let's get it, guys. So first and foremost, let me actually go ahead and change this up for you guys very quick. Let me delete this. And I'm looking forward to give you guys some pretty in-depth detail in game about, what's happening inside of the market this week. But then also, what we're looking for within this market this week also as well, all right? So let's go ahead and drop down some game right now. But it's out here, it's right there. All right, boom, boom, boom. As y'all can see here, I've not been on YouTube Live in a second, so I gotta get back to what we're good at. All right. So guys, first and foremost, guys, like I mentioned, this is gonna be an amazing week inside of the stock market world right now. If y'all are unfamiliar, every single Sunday, whenever we're able to do this, we do a free Sunday live session class where we basically break down what are the top 5 companies we're watching for the week. But I actually will then dwindle it down into the top 3 companies that we're watching for the week. Now, this week here specifically, guys, there is a large amount of companies that are going to be going pretty crazy right now. I see y'all from everywhere, Pennsylvania, Florida, Jersey. Listen, it doesn't matter where you are in the world right now. I'm gonna break down the top companies to watch this week so you can actually get this bag literally this week, all right? Let's get it, right? And guys, if y'all ready, guys, put a fire in the chat. Let's go. All right, let's get it. Boom. So guys, first and foremost, guys, let's first start off with what the heck happened this past week in the stock market in my chat. If y'all have been sleeping under a rock right now, one of our students, guys, I'm just gonna show you what happened. I'm gonna just show you better I can tell you. Guys, one of our students had the biggest trading day of all Band's chat history right now. in a day on Friday. And guys, y'all guess how much money that this guy made in a day. And as I find his gains, as I'm going through a whole ocean of student gains for the week, I'm gonna tell you guys, this gain that he made for the day, it made me literally go take a walk around my house, and I had to rethink my life. So I've never seen this before, guys. Look at this. My student Kenneth, he made $141,000 in one singular day in the stock market on Friday. I'm talking about, guys, this is not an AI screenshot. This is not fake. Look at this, $141,000 on the Webull account, as you can see right there. Y'all put a fire in the chat. If y'all are hype right now and you're ready to see how he did it, and you want to actually learn exactly why he did it, and how there's 3 plays right now that I'm actually be giving you today that can help you make a crazy return on your investment, I want to see a fire in the chat right now. I want to see people hype right now. I'm gonna stand up because I'm hype. I'm the host, and I'm hype. I want to make sure y'all are hype today, guys. I'm literally blown away. This guy Kenneth, guys, if y'all see my channel here on YouTube, he was previously interviewed by me. He made about 40K in one singular day in the stock market about maybe 2 months ago, give or take. We were blown away. I was like, what? Look at this. Proof. Oh, my. Look at that. 40K in a day is what he made, right? Now on Friday, he made 141K in a day. This is someone who was a beginner trader literally 6 months ago, making a doctor's salary, a 6-figure trade in one singular day in the stock market world. Now guys, before we get into today's class, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, these results are not typical. He simply got into the program, applied himself, and put his balls on the table when the opportunity and everything presented itself. Now today, guys, I'm gonna give you guys exactly why he took the play, how he made this money as well, and let's go into everything right now. All right, guys, so guys, first and foremost, guys, I know you're asking Ryan, please, Ryan, make the cat come out the bag. Like, how did he do it? Well, go to the stock market, right, and type in the company MU. So guys, the company is MU. This is basically an AI semiconductor and chip company, and they're really responsible with the AI infrastructure right now to the world. Now, whenever we trade in the stock market, guys, into my chat, we focus on live trading, the transparency, and live calls every single day. So with this pattern, and I'm just gonna make it really, really quick, guys, we found a bullish pennant pattern here on MU. What is that? It's very, very simple. Go to Google right now, type in the bullish pennant right there. And what we're looking for, guys, specifically is it move to the upside and a small sideways triangle, right? Now this triangle, guys, you be creating 2 different things, right? A diagonal level of resistance and a level here of support, where you're basically creating a strong move to the upside. And what you want to see, guys, write this down. You're creating a little bit of, right here is a, higher high, right here's a higher low, but then a lower high, and another higher low. So you're kind of creating a little bit of a sideways triangle in the breakout. Now look right here. This is the same exact pattern. So when upside, a channel right there, went to the upside. Now, Kenneth, because he was in the room, he was in our chat, he got the actual signal and the call out from us to actually go take this trade here on MU. Guys, this play made him $141,000 in a day. But guys, know what's crazy about this game that he made? He's not the only one, right? I mean, I'm trying to keep it light, but on Friday, guys, I made about, so this was earlier, I made about 10K, but I ended up making about 12K in a day. Guys, people in my chat went crazy on Friday. Waxy, he made 2.8K in a day on Friday. Let's keep going. He made 500, he made 400. Guys, there's some serious gains. He made 8K, $8,000. I made $1,000 right there. But a new student, guys, got into my chat, took our call out and made $12,000 in one day on Friday. On these same plays I'm showing you right now, she made $12,000 in a day, right? I also made 12K on Friday, but I'm gonna just keep it light because he made 140. 12K now is just a regular day in the chat, right? Anyways, guys, I'm here to just give you a bunch of gains. I'm gonna show you guys actually what we did verbatim. So guys, write this down, and I'm not saying this twice. If y'all are on this call right now, consider yourself lucky, because I didn't plan to give you guys this game. I just wanted to share it with my people who are in my chat. But if y'all are on YouTube right now, write this down. This company, Dram, is how I made the $12,000 in a day here on Friday, right? Now, how did we do it? What did we do? And what did we see in the company, right? Guys, write this down. First things first, we noticed that this company is a very heavily fundamentally compatible company. Now, what does that mean? What even is Dram? Let's talk about it, guys. I'm giving y'all some game today, right? DRAM, guys, is a memory ETF. Essentially, you guys know that the AI world right now, AI is taking over the whole world, taking over jobs, taking over careers and basic necessities, right? Well, AI, they need memory in order to function. The bandwidth of ChatGPT to function, they need to have memory in order to do that, right? So companies that basically give out memory and stuff like that, these are the companies that are the biggest expanding movers right now in 2026 going into the summer. My top and favorite company right now for pick is going to be DRAM, D-R-A-M, right? D-R-A-M, guys, write this down. DRAM is, I'm going to tell you why. This, guys, is a memory ETF. So the company, guys, that Kenneth made 141K on was Micron, right? So DRAM, what they do is they hold a bunch of companies and that makes it an ETF, which is an exchange traded fund. So guys, DRAM, it holds Micron, it holds Samsung, SanDisk, and a bunch of companies that you can see right there. Now, guys, how do we know that it was time to buy DRAM down here in price? Can someone tell me in the chat, guys, what do y'all, let me, it's kind of clear as day, but guys, why do you guys feel like we bought DRAM down here in the chat? Because if y'all are new here to my chat here on YouTube Live, you don't know what's going on. You're just seeing some light-skinned guy talking about stocks. Guys, we call out plays every single week inside of my private community on Discord. Now, you guys see right here into my chat, if you go over to my swing trades tab, which is exactly finding right here, boom. What you guys will see right here is on DRAM, we were looking at DRAM all day on Friday for a dip in price. What we saw, guys, was this bull flag pattern right here on DRAM. What's a bull flag? It is gonna be the strategy, guys, in the setup that will make you a whole lot of money. So make sure y'all write down notes, y'all ready to get on this game, because you will literally, guys, make money from trading at a super high amount if you simply apply basic level and basic fundamentals, right? So guys, a bull flag pattern, what you wanna go to see, guys, is first the flag, right? Then move to the upside like this flag pole. And what's an easier picture? Right here, boom, look at this. So you have, guys, this is the pole right here. Right here is a little bit of a flag pattern, like a little bit of a sideways channel, right? And after that happens, you have a strong move to the upside, right? Now, if y'all look at DRAM right here, guys, what do y'all notice is happening here on DRAM right here on this time frame? What do y'all see? Y'all let me know into the chat. What do y'all see is happening here on DRAM right now? I see a lot of y'all in the room right now. What do y'all think is happening here on DRAM? I'm gonna let y'all actually answer so you can actually learn something new today. Let me see if y'all know it. Yep, bull channel, okay. Come on, guys, look. Guys, so guys, DRAM will up here in price. We had a channel right here. And what's happening, guys, when you're trading the bull flag pattern, guys, write this down. When companies get to the bottom of this bull flag pattern, you have a higher probability chance of capturing the stock, making a move to the upside, rather than buying it here at a high price. So you want to always be buying low and selling high, right? So on Friday, guys, we saw DRAM finally made a move to the downside, right? Look at this. DRAM came down to the bottom of this bull flag pattern, right? Now, most people, guys, they can't see this happening in the market in real time. But we have so many snipers inside of my chat that are watching the market like a freaking hawk. So we actually saw that this company, guys, had a pullback here on DRAM. And when it happened, what did we do? I posted right here to go buy DRAM calls. I posted the exact expiration, the exact position on DRAM, and this is the exact time, guys, where we're able to buy this company for a super duper cheap price point. And guys, do y'all know why, guys, it's so important to be like into the right rooms? Even though I was down about $1,000 here on DRAM, I didn't hide, y'all. I didn't go in a freaking shell, a freaking igloo and hide and cry. I'm down $1,000. No, guys, no. Hell no, right? We win together, guys. We lose together. We keep it 100 in the chat, right? I posted, y'all, I'm down $1,000 right now, but I'm holding this trade overnight, right? Swing trades take patience, and I'm not concerned being down, right? It's all pre-calculated, right? As a result, guys, what do you know is happening here next? We're in the bull flag channel here on DRAM, right? Press play. Look at this. Look at this. Bam, bam, and bam. So, guys, we were able to be actually positioned on DRAM, guys, well down here in price. And guys, as a result, I put about 6K into this trade here on DRAM. I really took it easy. I put 6K in here on DRAM, right? As a result, guys, this company in a day, it rose. Let's calculate it right there. DRAM rose on Friday, guys. I literally kid you not. 17% the following day. As a result, guys, this one singular trade here on Dram, guys, that I took, I flipped about $6,000 into $17,000. I'm gonna see if I can post for y'all the pictures so y'all know we ain't capping. We ain't just telling y'all numbers. Now I'm gonna give y'all the truth because I'm just telling y'all what I know. You know, I can't tell y'all anything more than I know. I can just show you how the portfolio can grow. All right, guys, check this out. We put 6K into the trade, made 180% here on this company, and it rose up to $17,000. And guys, the funny thing about it is, guys, we called out this whole play from A to Z inside of my private mentorship class. So if y'all want to know like the results, like it's just me that made money, or guys, if you're in the YouTube loop, guys, if y'all are actually in the live stream right now here on YouTube, literally right now, and if y'all made some money on, you know, trading with me on Friday, y'all let us know into the chat below if that's you. And if you want to share how much you actually made, tell us right now here on YouTube. Let everybody know how much cash did you actually make directly from our chat here on Friday. I want to see how much y'all made, just like here in real time. Just make sure that, you know, this isn't AI or we have paid actors. You know, I want to see. But if you want to see like the actual result, people made what, 590 right there on Dram, 360 here on Dram. All right, let's keep it going. All right, 1.7K right here on Dram. Guys, read the chat, guys. Andy right there made 3 bands on Dram. All right, look at that, guys. This is not child's play. He made 1.9K on Dram. Right? Look at this, guys. 430 bucks here on MU, guys. This is the power of the stock market, guys. People are making literally their weekly checks from their freaking pajama shoes and slippers before you even brush your teeth in the morning. Right? She made 15K off the day, man, guys. This is what we do in the chat. And now, guys, that we covered, you know, what we did this past week in the chat and how people made thousands of dollars, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm about to drop the top 3 stocks that I'm watching this week literally right now that are gonna be concerning the Hantivirus and are also gonna be concerning the next wave of the memory and the AI industry, right? We have a big amount of money to be made this week in the market, guys. But real quick, if at any single time, guys, you want to get into our chat, see our plays live, be in an active community of hundreds of people who are sharing their plays, right? They're on the live call literally right now, sharing plays and having a real life community around you. Guys, the link is pinned here on YouTube Live. Come join the community, schedule a call with my team, and I would love to work with you personally one day, all right? Let's get into it right now, guys. Boom. So we covered these top plays right there. Now let's talk about first, guys, what is the news happening for the week right now? Let's get into it, guys. First and foremost, guys, we have some news here on Tuesday. We got CPI, you know, Consumer Price Index. This is a really interesting and really important day for news on Tuesday, right? Boom. Wednesday, we have PPI, right? Really important as well. Thursday, retail sales. Friday, we have nothing. Cool. Now, as far as earnings, because y'all definitely do want to know, right? As y'all cannot tell, it's 9:42 at night, but y'all can tell I'm hype right now. You know why? I love this shit. I love the stock market. This is what gives us freedom in the chat right now. We get financial freedom from the stock market, all right? So guys, this week, there are some really big companies that are reporting earnings this week, guys. Write this down. Mr. Hims right here has earnings after hours here on Monday. Will be a really crazy movement. My biggest bet, guys, this week, I have 3 plays I'll watch for earnings. A lot of these companies here are noise right now, but if you want to actually know which company's going to make you some money this week, if you want to trade earnings, guys, it's a little bit more risky. I can't lie. Number 1 here is going to be Oklo. This is a nuclear power plant company that we're going to be watching. MBIS is also a very, very good company that we've been trading every single day into my chat. Very, very important. Number 3 here is also Hims. This guy Hims is going to be probably a pretty crazy mover, but because they post earnings here on Monday, I'm not going to take the trade on Monday. I'm going to probably watch them on Tuesday. So if you're in the chat, guys, or you're new to the chat, you're getting to the community, we're going to be actually live trading tomorrow morning here on Zoom at 8:30 in the morning. So if you want to be into our community and live trade, make sure to be awake at 8:30 in the morning so you can have similar gains that people were having gains here into the gains chat, all right? Now, what I'm watching this week, guys, I'm gonna start first here with Dram. All right, let's go ahead and address, guys, the elephant in the room right now, guys. Dram right now is about to get a lot of y'all paid. You know why? This company, guys, it is not done running. All right, it is not done running, right? If y'all check Robinhood, guys, right now, Dram stock is actually up about 3% right here in after hours. So they're at $54.69. So the basic guys about up here right now on Dram, about right here, give or take, right? Now, this is my thing. If y'all know anything about trading in candlestick patterns, the bull flag pattern is the most predictable candlestick pattern known to man right now. So what you're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna be writing down and finding your swing low and finding your swing high. Now, Ryan, what is a swing low and what is a swing high? Let me take everybody back, to trading class. If y'all are brand new to trading, you all not know what you're doing, I'm gonna show you how to actually identify what these things are so you can actually use them to make a profit in the market for yourself, right? Simple terms, guys, the swing low is the very bottom of a move before it happens. The swing high is the top of a stock movement after it's happened, right? So when I'm finding this swing low, I'm finding this swing high, right? The company I'm looking today is Dram. Obviously, we're in a bullish market. We have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? Now, when I open up Dram, the very beginning, guys, of this first move to the upside before this breakout pattern, guys, was built from down here to up here. And why do I say the move starts right here and not there or there or there? Because right here, guys, this is after the first pullback in the market that Dram had before a large move to the upside, right? This move right here, guys, on Dram was a 19% movement. So if y'all want to actually calculate where in the world could a trade possibly go if I'm taking a trade with a bull flag pattern, go ahead and take your tool here on TradingView. This guys here is called the projection. It's called the price range tool on TradingView, right? Click it right there, right click that, and clone it. After you clone it, guys, put this tool right here at the very top of your bull flag pattern. Now, as you can see, guys, that gives Dram a pretty consistent price target on this movement on the company, upwards up to right here, which is up to about $56.21 here on Dram. This, guys, is basically my price target overall in the company. It could definitely go a lot more higher, and I have some targets, guys, on Dram up to like $85 this year and beyond. But this is the first play I'm watching, guys. I think Dram has space up to the upside right there, which is pretty cool. Now, if y'all are actually curious about this freaking Hantivirus and what companies are gonna be actually affected by this virus, right? Let's talk about my first company. Let me open up my notes right here. We have the first company here, guys, APT. All right, let's talk about it. So, as y'all can see, the elephant in the room, guys, APT, guys, this company, APT, is blasting off pretty crazily, right? So they're heavily involved, in creating things like face masks, mask shields, and historically they spike every single time we have breakouts, viruses, and there's headlines about news and viruses and deadly outbreaks. This company typically spikes, which is pretty crazy. Now, if y'all open up Robinhood right now, guys, and go actually search up APT, let's actually do it together right now, APT. This company is up 10% here in after hours, guys. They're sitting at a hefty price here of $7.20, which is basically up here, right? Guys, write this down because a lot of y'all are about to get rich off of this information. I don't care what anybody says, I'm giving y'all the game because there's enough money for everybody to eat inside of the stock market, right, guys? In the market, guys, what happens is the market makers, they buy the rumor and they sell the news. So they buy the rumor and they sell the news, right? So we're gonna open up their fear and greed index and see what this actually means, right? So right now, guys, in the state of the market right now, we're in a stage of greed. What does that mean? If y'all open up the company SPY right now, for example, which is the biggest ETF in the stock market right now, which is like the most commonly traded, we are sitting right here at a hefty all-time high here on SPY right now, all-time high. So everybody is greedy. They're buying the stocks, they're buying crypto, they're buying everything because we're sitting here at all-time highs, right? But you want to be greedy when people are fearful, and fearful when people are greedy, right? Again, You want to be greedy when people are fearful, and fearful when people are greedy. So when everybody's buying, sometimes you want to be selling. When people are selling, you want to be buying. You want to be taking that left side of the road every single time while everyone's going right. Now, when the market's flowing like this, though, you got to just be honest, though. We're in a hefty bull market. Now, why in the world did the Hantivirus start popping off recently, but not a couple months ago? It's because the market makers are seeing the market right now is sitting here at an all-time high. They're just waiting for the possible opportunity to bring a freaking vaccine, a new way to scare Americans, make you terrified, and start dropping all the stocks in the market right now. But what's funny is, guys, don't bank on that happening anytime soon. But what you can bank on, guys, is the companies that are making crazy movements off this crazy rumor of its Hantivirus, like APT. Also, I have 2 more for you guys today. But my predictions, guys, is I want to see this company, APT, have a strong move to the downside this week. Well, specifically here on Monday and Tuesday. Because right now, guys, this company is simply running off of hype and is running off of rumors right now, right? When that happens, guys, it gets very dangerous. You know why? People who have no clue what they're doing, they're going to try to be buying this company, buying the stock, and trying to get rich overnight. But the worst part about it, guys, is if you see on the news headlines, you see everywhere, it's typically a little bit too late, right? It's too late, right? The time has came. People made money on the APT. The time is here. All right, cool. Guys, I personally believe if I go to where the company is right now, go to your tool here called the Fibonacci tool of retracement and draw it from the top here of where we are right now down to the bottom. I personally believe, guys, that we're going to have a 50% retracement from where we are in price right now on the company APT before any move happens anymore on the stock. So I want to actually take shorts on this company and take APT back to the downside between Monday and Tuesday, and a few other healthcare names that I want to see it basically drop this week. So the first company, guys, is APT. Company number 2, guys, here is Lake. So guys, Lake right now is another big company. As you can see, they have a really strong spike up this past, a little bit of time, up over 25% of the company right now. They focus primarily on hazmat suits, industrial gears of protection and safety apparel. So they're basically suited for, outbreaks and things like that, right? So what I'm noticing, guys, is a lot of these companies are hyper extended right now. People are buying based on this rumor right now of Hantivirus. Now, real quick, guys, before we guys go any further into the chat, if y'all are like a complete beginner into the trading world, you have little to no experience, maybe like you're a fresh beginner, put a 1 into the chat. And if you have some pretty good experience, you kind of know what you're doing, you kind of you're a trader, you've been trading, put a 2 into the chat. I want to see where everybody is today because I want to give you guys some direct game on what to do this week, but I want to know who I'm talking to, so I don't be using crazy vocabulary for y'all. Y'all know, y'all have a clue what I'm talking about. Let me know. Okay. See some 1s, 2s, 1s. Okay. All right. Cool. 1, 2. Okay, cool. So guys, if y'all are beginners right now, in very simple terms, guys, what goes up must come down. What goes down must come up, right? When you're reading the stock market, guys, you have 2 different markets. You have a bullish market, you have a bearish market. The bullish market, you have higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. You're getting a strong movement to the upside, but every single time you have a small retracement back to the downside. Think about it like a trampoline. You go up, come back down. You go up, come back down, right? Same thing on the bearish side. You go into the downside. You're making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? But in both of these markets, guys, you can make money in a bullish market or even in a bearish market. Fortunately, guys, this past week, we smacked the market absolutely completely all week towards the upside, taking companies like DRAM to the upside, companies like MU to the upside, right? But this week right now, I have a couple of companies that I believe are gonna make y'all a lot of money by taking it to the downside. So if you're trading stock options, which is what we do into our chat, We trade here on Webull. We use a cash account. We don't do any funded accounts, no prop firms, none of that bull crap. We don't believe in any of that to the chat. We trade with live money on Webull. It's a regulated brokerage account. And basically, when companies go up in price, and you can make money on stocks going to the downside by buying puts on the company. So this week, I'm watching puts on the company Lake, which is also a big company into the healthcare sector. Also a company APT, they have a substantial move to the upside. I believe this company, guys, could drop a lot this week. So I think there's like a lot of money to be made on the company Lake. But on top of that, guys, I have a couple other things to watch for the week. Companies like that are in this ETF, guys, right here. Y'all take a quick screenshot of this page right here. Take a screenshot. These guys are all the top holdings that are inside of this one company, DRAM, that we love inside of my chat. We are long-term holders. I have a lot of money in the long-term shares in the company. I have money in the options right now. I'm gonna wake up on Monday, probably up like 5K off the stock because it's going up some more right now. But if y'all here on my chat here on the YouTube live, unfortunately, y'all probably missed the call out. Like, I'm gonna just be real, y'all missed the call out. Like the stock dropped, and this is the first drop that it's made in a long time. Like I'm not even just rage baiting y'all right now. Like if I go to the chat right now, go to Trading View, type in DRAM, just look at this. Over the past, guys, couple of days, couple of weeks, guys, look at this, right? This company has been going up tremendously all year long, right? MU is even worse, guys. Look at this. Look at MU. Go to the weekly chart and look at this, guys. MU, this is the weekly time frame on the company. Every single week, it has been going straight up and up and up on price. Now, for you as an investor, guys, to make money, you need to be waiting for the best opportunity to buy stock for a cheap price point so you can make money on taking profit towards the upside. So what I'm saying is, guys, right now, you actually did miss this first move here if you're not in the chat, but it's okay. But it's okay. I'm calling out so many plays this week into the chat right now, and there's more that I'm gonna tell you guys today. But like I said, if y'all want to get into the room and get these plays, guys, while they're on sale just like this, so you can buy stock for cheap and take profit at a high point, I'm gonna tell you right now, there is no better way to do that than being inside of a real live community. Every single day I go on Zoom, I'll actually share with you guys in real time. Like I'm not even capping to y'all. Look at this. I woke up today up 5K on DRAM, and I could have took profit. I held that. 6.2K, we held it. 7K, we held it. All the way up to $12,000, and I could have made about 30, all right? And many people also banked on this trade. So don't look at joining trading chats and, oh my gosh, I'm spending money to get in chat. No, I'm investing into a community so I can make 5 to 10 times what I actually have spent. And people who are making $1,000 in a day or $500 in a day, they have the possibility and opportunity to actually trade every single day and enjoy the lifestyle and the community around them. Another thing, guys, if you are right now, guys, in Houston, Texas, we're doing an in-person 2-day live trading workshop here on the 15th of May. So if y'all are actually curious, right, serious and not curious, and you're here in H-Town and you want to get into the room, I'm going to tell you right now, schedule a call here. It's pinned here into the chat. Even if you guys can't make it to the in-person link up, you can come into our community, join us for trading every single day, and be a part of something be a part of a group that's actually wanting to see you win, that cares about you, and take it to the next level, right? So, now that that's out the way, guys, we have another ETF on watch, guys, for the week. The company is Mr. IWM, as you guys know it, right? This company right now, guys, they're down a little bit here in pre-market. So, guys, to be exact, the company is down right now about 0.38%, which really isn't much, all right? SPY right now is down 0.13%. Gold is down 1% right now, right? Now, in my opinion, guys, I think that these companies, these ETFs, guys, we're a little bit hyper-extended right now, in my personal opinion. I know, guys, we've been bullish all week, we've been buying all week, and everything is good. But depending on how we react, guys, at this key zone right here on SPY at 736.19, we are very, very overbought right now. How do I see that? Go to my tab here for my indicators and type in the relative strength index, which is the RSI. If y'all see here on the RSI right here, we're completely over this line here on the RSI, which is basically indicating that we're heavily overbought into the stock market. Write that down. I'm giving out some free gems right now, right? We are overbought here on the RSI, which means that if we're overbought, sometimes, guys, people will begin to sell this company. That being said, guys, I have a significant high point here on my hourly here on SPY. This is right here, guys, my hourly high here on SPY right here at about 736.09. Guys, write this down. If we break below, guys, this key zone here on SPY this week, 736.09, I've been looking for a move to the downside. This strategy is called a turtle soup. I can't really go much deep into it because I don't have too much time with you guys here right now. But I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, there is some pretty big opportunities in the market this week. We've been buying the past few weeks, but now we're getting news on the Hantivirus. You know, different wars are breaking out, and the market's going pretty crazy right now, and it has to cool back down. My biggest bet though, guys, this week, y'all love trading SPY, but I'm watching Mr. IWM this week. I personally think, guys, IWM will be making people a lot of money this week. Why? It is overbought, but not only is it overbought, but it's the first ETF right now that's actually showing us some weakness after being overbought, right? Check out the RSI right here, right? Once IWM got overbought here on the RSI, what happened next? We had a strong move back to the downside, right? A strong move back to the downside. After that happened, we had a quick actual retracement on the company back up to this high right here. And it's beginning to have a little bit of some stagnation, trying to make it like, a new high here on IWM. Now, there's a few other factors that I think could happen on this company to take it to the downside, but I want to keep this class short and sweet for you guys. I want to see IWM go back to the downside. And guys, throughout this call, if you have questions, post it into the chat below, and I'll be answering you guys, right after this class. Just like a quick little 10-minute Q&A for you guys today. But Lo says, I joined the community. Will I be able to attend? How do I sign up? 100%. If you're in the community, you're in the classroom, your name on Discord now, you should have a blue name here on Discord. So y'all see GV here, name is blue. You should have the Super Bandit role right here, which actually gives you access to our room right here for live trading, all of our voice chat channels right there, all of our signals, access to our watch list, access to the swing trading tabs, access to the long-term watch list, access to all the Zoom replays. So if you miss a live class on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you can see all the replays. Access to one-on-one calls, private mentee chats. There's so much that we have access into the chat. But yes, you definitely need access when you're in the community. But if y'all are taking down notes, I'm gonna put it for y'all here right now. This week, guys, I'm watching, first of all, guys, APT puts. Specifically, guys, I'm watching for a movement below $7 on APT. On SPY puts, I'm gonna give you the exact numbers to watch. On SPY, I'm watching right here on the hourly on SPY, below 736.06. So SPY puts below 736.06. DRAM, move towards the O. Also IWM, can't forget that one. IWM right here as well. IWM, guys, this is the thing that I'm fearing on IWM, right? If y'all want to trade IWM, guys, this week, I want to actually see it go to the upside first to basically sweep the liquidity. If y'all are beginners, don't worry about that right now. You'll learn about that more after you get into the community and get into the classroom. But basically, guys, before companies can make like massive moves to the upside or moves to the downside, they typically have to fake out a lot of people and grab a lot of liquidity. Now, all that means, guys, in fancy words is hey, before a company can go to the upside or go to the downside, it has to basically make a lot of people lose their money first, right? And when that happens, when people lose their money, they cut the trade for a loss, they move on, right? But what happens is, let's say right here, guys, is the exact point where if somebody has a move on the company, like let's say someone is banking on this company to go to the downside, right? If this stock goes to the upside like this, right? Everybody that's sitting right here, guys, they're gonna lose all of their money on this trade. They're gonna sell this trade here for a loss, and what happens is now the company can finally make the movement back to the downside, right? This guy's here on IWM is a key level of liquidity. So I'm looking for, guys, on IWM, I'm looking for this company to actually attack this 285.78 level first, and then after that, make it move back to the downside. So I'm gonna put it right here for you guys who are actually taking down notes. IWM, break above 285.78, and break below for puts. Now guys, this is gonna be my bonus / superstar plays. I don't know if I should even drop these right now. I don't know if y'all gonna take it serious, man. Y'all actually, guys, y'all let me know. Before I drop my bonus and superstar plays, man, who's actually enjoying this class right now? Y'all put a fire in the chat. Y'all put a like here, on this video. Who's actually enjoying this class right now? Because I'm giving y'all some gems right now. I can't really hold back the gems because, like I told you guys, there's literally enough money in the market for everybody to eat. I mean, there's people I think there's over 15 people on Friday made over $1,000 in one day in my chat on Friday. Over 15 people. One guy made 141K, as y'all kind of saw, back here. Someone made, 3K. Someone made 12K. Someone made 2,700. But before I give y'all this superstar plays, I want to see who's actually enjoying this class today. I just want to make sure that I'm talking to the right people, because if y'all are hype, that's all right. I know I'm gonna give y'all a superstar plays. This is gonna be a little bit more high risk, but high risk, high reward. All right. Well, let's get it. All right, guys. First and foremost, guys, there's a really, really big company that we have been looking at for a large amount of time. The company, guys, is NBIS. Y'all write that down, guys. NBIS stock. I'm putting this, guys, into my notes right now for y'all right now, for my students. So y'all have it, right? Basically, guys, NBIS right now, guys, this is a crazy company. It's going up pretty crazy. Let me actually show you the chart here for NBIS so you can actually see. Guys, look at this. This company, guys, has been literally absolutely ripping here for a large amount of time and for a very, very long time, right? As you can see, down here, we're at 20 bucks. Right now, we're at $177 right now per share, right? It's been going up completely for a large time, right? They're also big into AI infrastructure, into cloud computing, enterprise AI, memory. They're really big into that sector, right? But this company, guys, this is very, very scary. This company is reporting their earnings, as you can see right here, Wednesday morning. I believe, guys, this company is a great company to buy, a great stock to buy, guys. And what's funny is, it's looking very, very scary. And I'm gonna show you why it's looking scary. They're giving me the same vibes that MU gave me before Kenneth made 140K in a day. Why is that? Look at this. We're creating another bullish pennant right here on NBIS. Guys, y'all look at this picture right here on the stock right there. And then we'll look at this image right here. I'm gonna show you right here of MU. Do you guys see anything similar between this company right here and then look at this? Oh, this company right here? Do y'all see anything similar between these two companies, guys? Is it just me? Because if my math is mathing, guys, we had to move to the upside, a little bit of a sideways triangle, and a breakout, right? Well, on NBIS, we have a big move to the upside, a sideways triangle, but the only thing that we're missing right now, guys, is this move right here to the upside. I don't know, guys. If I'm not mistaken, I mean, this is looking pretty similar. It's looking like, you guessed it, a bullish pennant. It is looking like, guys, a bullish pennant on the stock right now. Literally. And when I say this, guys, this means that this company, guys, has a potential, and I'm not a financial advisor, but MU, guys, if y'all draw this high here of this pennant from here to here on the company, this is a 19% move on the company, right? Grab this right there, clone it, bring it over here. This, guys, company MU, it literally completed the same exact move from the swing high right there to swing low here previously. Now, NBIS, guys, this company, they have a couple of things I'm looking at right now. The first thing, guys, is this projection on the company is jumped from basically down here to up here, which is about a 60% movement. Now, go click right there, clone this right there, bring it across. This company, guys, can easily go up this high, or this stock, guys, can make a similar movement from down here, right? From down here in the company, which is even crazier on the stock. And I think it's possible, guys, that NBIS can actually make a movement like this week and go up pretty crazily. And this is some of my price projections on the market right now. I'm not gonna tell you I'm a financial advisor, but we called out this movement right here on MU. We call this move right here on DRAM. And guys, this company, NBIS, guys, does a similar thing as DRAM and MU. So all I see, guys, is a pattern, right? I look for patterns, right? I don't care about being right. I'm just trying to get paid, right? I'm just trying to get paid right from the market, right? There is some true money to be made in the market this week, guys, but I'm teaching you all about these plays. I'm giving you all the stock setups, what to watch, what to keep on watching, right? This is just one, guys, of my bonus and superstar plays for the week, guys. So on NBIS, break of bullish pennant for calls, right? That level, guys, on NBIS is about, let's say, about $183. So $183 right here. NBIS break of 183 bullish pennant for calls. So I'm watching right there. I'm gonna give you one more play because I don't know how hype y'all are right now. Because I have a couple of plays on my little watches right now, but I got a couple of plays to watch. So Campbell says, should we hop on this tomorrow morning? No, you absolutely should not. But what you should hop on is our Zoom call tomorrow morning, because depending on how the market is moving, right, and then depending on what's given to us in the market, we actually will then assess what to trade depending on what the market is giving us for the day. Now, if you want to just hop into the market blindly and just start buying these companies, honestly, you should just leave this video here on YouTube. But this is not for you, because the market, guys, it requires patience, discipline, a system, an actual, like a plan of order of operations. So before I trade for the day, guys, I'm marking my levels, I'm doing my bias, I'm sharing with my actual community what the hell am I watching for the market for the day. You know, mind my French, but there's like a lot of people, guys, who think that trading is gambling. But the thing about it is, trading cannot be gambling when you have hundreds of students who are banking every single day, 90% of the time, right? We have a lost channel, right? When people lose, guys, we keep it 100 to my chat. But as you guys can see, we don't talk a lot in this chat. You know, we talk a lot in this chat, right? Because everybody is winning in my chat. And it's systems into this game, right? But there is losers who are in the stock market. I'm gonna be real with y'all. People who don't do things the right way, people who don't manage their risk, people who don't have outside sources, people who don't have communities, people who don't have people who are actually watching the whole entirety of the stock market, giving you feedback, giving you homework, giving you gains, people who are gambling, they lose horribly inside of the stock market. But people who actually get help, get systems, get application, and spend time actually reading the Bible, right? Improving yourself on the inner core of yourself, they make hundreds, thousands, and crazy amounts of money in the market. The market will literally reveal more about yourself than your spouse can tell you, than your coworkers can tell you, than your boss can tell you, than the gym can tell you. So if y'all don't improve yourself on the inside, you won't have profits on the outside. So no, don't just buy these plays blindly. No, you should spend time to actually do your own research, apply my drawings, apply my information. And if you want to do all of this and you want to like cut the line and have a shortcut, you can actually book a call here with my team. I just posted into the chat right there. You can actually schedule a call with my community. And inside of that call, we'll actually walk through with you exactly where to start from for your situation. See if this would even be a good fit for you. See if it can fit for your work schedule and actually help you out to learn what this even is overall. And like ideally, there's just so much that I can tell you right now, but it's just like tomorrow morning it's game time. Right now this is practice. We're in the weight room, we're running, we're stretching. Tomorrow we're in the freaking game. This is one play of me I'm watching for tomorrow and for the week that can go pretty crazy. Number 2, guys, is gonna be back here. Once again, right here on Dram. Dram, guys, has a little bit more room to run on this company, up to about $56, give or take. Now, what I want to see, guys, right now, is if y'all really want to make money, guys, on the stock market or on any company, period, do not buy the hype. Do not buy when everybody's selling their companies up here, right? If y'all buy Dram up here tomorrow morning, don't tell your CPA that Ryan told you to do that. I didn't tell you to do that. Buy the companies after they create pullbacks. Right now, guys, Dram is actually inching towards a level right here where I'm actually expecting a pullback on the company. So this week, guys, I'll be actually waiting for a stock pattern that's going to be given to us in the market this week. If it's given to us, or a key level into a pullback here of liquidity to buy this company once again. I have over 100 shares in this company right here, and I got about $8,000 on a long-term contract on the company right now on Dram. But on Monday, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm out of chicken, but I'm selling. I'm taking my profit. I'm sorry, y'all. We made some money on Dram, right? But we know that when it's time to take profit, is exactly when people like y'all sometimes are buying whenever we're taking profit. And it isn't your fault completely. You're buying whenever it looks very, very good. We're selling when it looks good. There's a difference. So this week, guys, on Dram, I don't have an exact strategy on Dram immediately right now. But what I'll tell you right now is I'm waiting for a Dram pullback to buy companies. To buy more, stock on Dram, to buy calls. But guys, the thing is on Dram that I cannot stress enough, guys. Dram, guys, is a rising ETF. It's a memory ETF, right? They hold the top memory companies right now into the stock market. So companies like MU, for example, like I said, they are actually the top holding of Dram right now. So the price, guys, of MU directly, correlates on how Dram is also able to move. But this company right here, guys, that I'm gonna show you right now, SanDisk, right here, this is the talk of the town right now. Go ahead and open up SanDisk right here, right? Check it out. Guys, SanDisk is the talk of the town right now. Why is that? Go over to this company right here and then go visit this company's high time frame, right? Go over to the 1-day chart on SanDisk, and what do y'all see? Guys, this company was at a price point, guys, and literally, guys, last year, 2025, guys, let's say, guys, a year from today, guys, this company was at $25 per share. Today, guys, we're sitting at $1,500 per share. That will blow your mind. Because if y'all put literally, let's say, you know what? You put $25 into SanDisk last year at this time, you will be up $1,500 on the stock right now. And this is also, guys, another memory company that's very prevalent in the market right now. Now, when SanDisk, guys, goes up in price, they're actually, check this out, they're holding 6% of SanDisk on the company Dram also here as well, right? My thing about SanDisk right now, guys, is they're also due for a pullback, but we never know when the time is that going to happen, right? But when MU pulls back, guys, when SanDisk pulls back, when companies NBIS also has pullbacks, guys. Companies like Dram that we love and trust also will pull back. So I'm waiting for a Dram pullback to buy some more calls. Now, guys, if you are inside of the program right now for the mentorship, guys, meet me inside of the live room after this class session, and the live room here or here. We're covering the rest of the plays here for the week, because I feel like people don't really understand what I'm talking about here on YouTube Live about some of these plays. But if you want to take a screenshot, guys, feel free. These are some of the plays I'm watching here for the week. I have a few more right now, like AVGO, like Palantir. But I want to keep YouTube very short and concise and very sweet. And I kind of went over my 3 limit. I gave out 5 already right here, but y'all know me, I love to have variety, right? Only in stocks, not in women. In women, I'm very, very loyal. I want to lock down one. I like to tell jokes. But seriously, when you're trading the stock market, guys, y'all should have a polygamous relationship with all of these stocks, right? Obviously, find one stock, lock it down, master it, and love it and trust it. But don't be afraid, guys, to watch multiple companies at once, just like this. I can watch 4 stocks at once on one screen. I did the same thing right here. I can watch 8 stocks in the blink of 10 seconds, right? So I will look for my fancy setups and my specific things I'm looking at for these companies and quick time frames while I'm doing live trading with people over inside my chat here on Discord. So now, guys, I want to do a quick Q&A, guys. I'll do like a quick 10-minute Q&A. If y'all have like any questions, guys, about trading on the stock market, I'm gonna answer this. And I'm gonna also give you guys some game about, some things I'm actually reading inside the Bible this week. Been really touching my heart, and I feel like, people need to hear this game about a couple things in the world besides just money. Money's cool, but it isn't everything. How I feel about the companies, about the stock car, very volatile, very risky. Their hype, actually, I think it died down. Let's check it out. I think Cars hype did die down, honestly, because they had a crazy move recently. Like, they went up, look at this, they went up crazily and came down just as crazy in a couple of days. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. The same thing on APT. I'm looking for a similar move like this right here on APT in the lake. Strong move to the upside, but a sharp move back to the downside. Just keep it in mind. I'm just telling y'all, I'm just a messenger, all right? Best mentor in the trading community, guaranteed to make your investment back. Come on, man. A guarantee is a strong word. I don't do any guarantees, but what I will say is if you apply yourself, you come to our trading calls, you come to our classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I mean, my typical student right now who's doing those things, who have a full-time job right now, who have cash in the bank, time to put towards the market, like an hour or 2 daily or 5 hours a week, they're making like $5K a month trading for the market on the low end. Like, people just made $2.8K on Friday in a day, $3K on Friday, $15K on Friday, $1,000 on Friday. But $3K to $5K a month, like $3K to $5K a month is my typical goal I get people to actually make from the stock market, so you can actually pay off their bills, every single month, and use it as like a way of having real freedom for the market. All right. So what's up, Cammy? How we doing, Cammy? How we living? So Cammy says, where on Discord are we going for live trading? Under what chat? Let me show you. So after this live stream ends, go to Discord right there, and go over to the live trading voice room. All right. People actually go to the small groups voice chat. We have different small groups. So if y'all like, people to talk to you more personally, you want to meet people into the chat, build like relationships and stuff like that, we have small groups to my chat, voice chat. We're very, very personal. So this is where we'll meet after this session for sure. At what time frame do I find the bullish pennant pattern? So you can find them on really any time frame, but the strongest will be like the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. Typically on the daily time frame, you can't really see it happening as fast as you actually want. But like on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, you can see it actually being formed. So you're able to, be in the market at the right time, get to that money. Let me read some more questions. This brother is the truth. Anybody on the sidelines watching should make that investment in yourself and tap in. Come on, man. Y'all seen it for yourself right now. I have nothing more to say. I'll be honest. I had a great week into the market right now, but like I really believe that this is literally just the beginning right now. Like if y'all are brand new here, guys, we're doing some beginner classes, in-person sessions. We're doing a lot of stuff this summer. So if y'all want to schedule a call, guys, the link here is in the chat right there. Book a call with my team and get tapped in. I'm trying to come to your class on the 15th. Hey, this class is going to be members only. I don't sell any tickets for, personal classes like this. This is more like a members only event. So if you want to join, like I said as well, you can book a call with my team and then, get, tapped in. This is a private event. People are coming to this event, guys, like Kenneth. He made 100K, 140K in a day. He's speaking at my event on the stage. I have also someone flying into my event here on Friday. She's going crazy, right? She's an all-star student into my chat, Destiny. She's literally living right now in Atlanta. She's taking out time out of her busy life right now to fly to Houston to come speak at my event about how she's making 30K a month for the market right now, while also having kids, having a busy business, a busy lifestyle right now. So I mean, there's flavor. So we had to have security into the building, food, and a good time. And yeah, there's gonna be a lot of stuff happening, in the chat. So I look forward to it, right? But yeah, guys, because it's 10:30, it is my time right now. I just want to share with you guys like what I read this past week. Just some really good verses that I feel like would help you guys, look at life differently this week, and this month overall. I feel like, honestly, guys, making money is cool right now, but like, if y'all make the money and your like heart posture isn't correct, you can make the money and you'll lose it right after, right? So if I can read this with you guys, if that's okay, I'm gonna share with you guys what I read. In James chapter 3, verse 13, it says, "Who is wise and understanding among you? Let them show it by their good life, by deeds done in humility that comes from wisdom. But if you harbor bitter envy and selfish ambition in your hearts, do not boast about it or deny the truth. Such wisdom does not come down from heaven, but is earthly, unspiritual, and demonic." All right. So this guy's just saying basically like, once you understand wisdom and understanding, it will show outwards from the deed that you're actually doing for yourself, right? So if you want to go to the gym and get a six-pack, say that sounds good. Going to the gym is the deeds to get what you want to actually accomplish, right? Then the next thing, right? I want to see what this, there's some stuff I was reading. I'm like, wow, it hit me really, really well. All right, let's get into the next thing. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, let's get it. This is the last thing I'm going to speak about. James chapter 1, verse 22. It says, "Do not merely listen to the word and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says. Anyone who listens to the word but does not do what it says is like someone who looks at his face in the mirror and after looking at himself in the mirror, goes away and immediately forgets what he looks like." That's crazy for me to hear, because it's just like, you can read the word, know everything, like know every single scripture, but if you don't actually do what it says, you're just kind of wasting your time, right? And when you're trading, what's so funny is I look at it the same way, because like you can go to the market, start trading, know what you're doing, and watch all these videos, get into a group, get the game, get the strategies, right? But when the time comes, you are the only person who's pressing buy or sell. So you're learning all this game, but if you don't actually apply what you're learning, you can lose money because you're the one pressing buy or sell. So learn the game, learn systems, learn strategies, but obey what you've learned so you can actually see the fruits of your labor. All right? And that's going to be done for my class today, guys. I hope you have a blessed day. And I was someone today's asking about INTC. You're asking about risk management and strategies. See, that greed is what's killing me. I lost a lot after I scaled my account. Listen, I'm gonna go into depth and detail on some more stock plays, risk management, and like a lot more right now into my Discord channel right now. So if you want to get into the room, feel free to tap in. But at the end of the day, you don't have to tap in. I just want to tell you guys, man, it's been a long time coming into my trading career. This year, guys, has been my breakout year by far. I have students right now who are literally calling out plays, running classes, mentoring students, helping people out, doing voice chats. I love everything about it right now. So I'm about to go, guys, and enjoy my day with my students, chop it up with them, go into some more game. But I hope you all have a blessed day, guys. Keep God into your life. Happy Mother's Day, guys. Take care of all the women into your life right now. They are very deserving. They're hardworking. They've opened up the womb to put you into the earth right now. Shout out to y'all. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all. We care for y'all. And we look forward to seeing you guys make some more children. Right? We ain't done. All right? Maybe, yeah. All right. All right. This class is over. Y'all have a great day, guys. God bless. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning for live trading, guys. Into the Discord. Peace.